Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning what is coding, and in today's class we will learn how to think like a computer. In the previous class, we learned about computer programs that exist in our surroundings, in different machines we use. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and follow our channel, especially if you are watching on YouTube. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create such videos and courses. All you have to do is to click the subscribe button. Let's begin. When we want a computer to work for us, perform repetitive tasks, we need to give those instructions to a computer one time. Now, in order to give a good set of instructions, we need to think like a computer. The most important thing to remember and understand is that a computer is a dumb machine. It cannot think on its own. It cannot take decisions. It does not have those cognitive abilities that we humans are gifted. So any problem, any solution that we come up with, we need to learn to break into smaller steps and feed that to a computer. Now, this ability to break into smaller pieces is key, because if we get it wrong and if we feed wrong instructions to a computer is going to continuously repeat that mistake 1,000 times, maybe million times, depends on how many times we ask computer to repeat it for us. Let's take an example. Think of a restaurant where the waiter is a robot. In fact, I live in Atlanta, and in my local restaurants now, thanks to the labor shortage in this current economy, I see a lot of robots servers now in the restaurants, where they feed and the robot comes to your table and deliver the food to you. Now, it's a very classic example where imagine that if we teach robot to pick up the food from the kitchen and give it to a table, right? And we write simple three instruction. We say pick up the food, move from kitchen table to consumer's table or customer's table, and put the food down. Now the problem here is that we did not tell computer that it is possible that there is a door or there is a wall. So computer, when it moves, it is going to simply go and bang it on the wall, right? So we can improvise this instruction by being more specific. We can tell computer that first pick up the plate with the food on it, move from the kitchen to the customer table by step 2A, walking to the door between the kitchen and the dining area, and walking through the door to the dining table, and then finally put the plates down. Now, this instruction can be further improved because it is possible that door is already open. In that case, there is nothing to open, right? Now, when we can further improvise this our instruction, and we can say open the pick the plate, go to the door. If the door is open, then do nothing, simply walk. If the door is closed, then open the door first, then you go. And in fact, if you encounter an obstacle, then you pause, wait, and once the path is clear, then you walk to the table. Because it is possible that somebody walks in front of the robot. It's very much possible. So if you run this set of steps in your head, pretend to be a robot, a lot of things will become clear. But bottom line is, the more detailed instruction we give, better it is for our program to perform and give us the output we expect. A detailed instruction, detailed and very clear and concise instruction is what we should give it to our computers. Your ability to think, in fact, your ability to split a solution into smaller steps, write clear and concise steps in the right order is key. And when you learn programming, you actually learn to translate your solution into these baby steps. That's the key. With that, we will talk a little bit more about it when we go in one of the chapter where we learn about algorithm. But for now, it is important to learn think like a computer. Okay, that's all in this class. If you have any question on any part of this concept, feel free to post it in the community forum on our platform. Either I or another teacher from my team or another student on the platform would be happy to answer. Please take time to solve the quiz to test your knowledge and understanding of this chapter. Happy learning, and I'll see you guys in the next class.